Here's a formula that shows up in business. This is the formula for simple interest. The interest that you receive when you invest money, say in a bank account, in a savings account at the bank, the interest you receive is equal to the principal, that's the amount of money you originally put in, multiplied by the interest rate, expressed as a decimal, multiplied by the time in which you invested that money, typically in years. Well, let's suppose we wanted to take that equation, that formula, and solve it for R. In other words, I don't want the I to be by itself on one side of the equation. I want the R to be by itself on one side of the equation. So I need to get rid of the P and the T. Well, aren't the P and the T, again, kind of like coefficients for R? If I divided the right side of the equation by PT, wouldn't the P's cancel to 1 and the T's cancel to 1, leaving me just R on that right-hand side, and I've isolated the R? But if I divide one side of an equation by a value, I have to divide the other side as well. And again, I can't do those divisions until somebody gives me a number to put in place of I, P, and T. So we simply write down that fraction as it is, indicating that when we get those values, we're going to multiply the P value times the T value, and then take the I value and divide it by that product. And that would tell us the interest rate that we had received when we had invested that money. So here's another example of taking a formula and solving it for one of the specific variables in the formula. And what I did was similar to what I would do in solving a linear equation in one variable.